Hey everyone, it looks like that the weather tomorrow is going to be pretty good, so I am very excited to be able to hopefully do some flying and get our first stamp for 2021. So right now I am working on getting everything charged up and ready to go. My question for all of you all is, how much crap do you usually charge up and get ready the day before or the morning before a flight or something? Right now I've got my GoPro charging, obviously. Then I've got my tablet charging, so I have all the maps and everything loaded to go, and then also my Garmin, so that way I get ADS-B, and then of course my phone and that. So, but anyway, just curious, what else do you guys bring on your flights besides just yourselves and maybe a partner or whatnot? But hopefully we'll be doing some flying in the morning. I'm so excited. I want a stamp, or 2, or 3. Actually, I just want to fly. So, fingers crossed. I'm Ed.
I'm Caitlin.
This is our dog, Lala. Together, we are flying all across Wisconsin to collect our Fly Wisconsin passport stamps and earn the coveted bomber jacket. So strap in and come along on our adventure as we explore Wisconsin from the air. We are the Flying Stampede.
Wanna go flying? Yeah? Wanna go flying? Wanna go flying? Wanna go flying? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go flying. Let's go flying. Come on, let's go.
Everyone has oceans to fly, if they have the heart to do it. Is it reckless? Maybe, but what do dreams know of boundaries? Amelia Earhart.
All right, we made it to Kenosha. It was a quick, 3-minute flight. And hopefully, I know there's white paper signs on the door. I'm hoping that we'll be able to go in and get our stamp. If not, then I guess all we gotta do is take a picture like we did for Sylvania. But we made it. It was fun. It's cold as hell. Someone's cold. Someone's cold.
Got my makeshift mask.
I'm gonna let you do the honors, actually. I feel like I usually get all the fun in doing it.
Kenosha is my hometown, so. Let's find K-Town in here.
It's under K.
Okay, that's what it is.
For Kenosha.
K for Kenosha.
Boom, Kenosha. It's our first stamp of 2021.
Well, did you get your stamp? You did?